What's up, guys? It's your boy Vinstagram back out here. Actually, first Columbia car meet I've been to. My brother wanted to show me the Slam Civic over here. Where's it at? Dang, the ground clearance. Dang, that looks really nice. The carbon fiber hood. Jeez. Look at that.
Barely.
I think that's another one. Yeah, that's another one. FRS. Well, nope, that's a GT86. Turbo to Evo. Ooh, no bumper on this. I can't even tell what it is now because it doesn't have any bumper. Is it an FRS? Is it a GT86? Is it a BRZ? Let's see. Oh, and it's an FRS. Obviously, Fast and Furious music on. Ooh, let's look at this SN95. Get some inspiration for mine. Tastefully lowered.
Oh, side exhaust.
And the side exhaust. That's pretty nice.
M3.
GT500 right here. Is that real carbon fiber on the grill? Yep, that's real carbon fiber on the grill.
Look at that. Look at that Toyota.
And nope, it's not even a GT500 because it's not supercharged. This is actually a GT with the GT500 grill on it.
Listen, watch out for that wide body.
Wide body 370Z.
It's not a normal wide body.
Sounds nice. Boss 302 Mustang. That looks pretty nice.
What was that?
I'm not even sure.
Oh, M6. No, yeah,
M5. That looks pretty nice.
Is that the V10 one?
No, it's the V8. Dang, I wish they still put the V10s in these. That'd be so nice. Ooh, this is the person who's funding all of my car modifications at the point. Say hi, Grandma.
Exactly. Hello. You're gonna get it.
Oh, this is a Cobra. Cause that's the wait, no, this is a normal. Yeah, it is a Cobra. That's pretty nice. I've seen this one before at another meet.
Look inside the car.
Oh yeah, on the inside around the brake disc. That's sexy. Now I'm gonna go away from here because there's copyrighted music. XKRS. And this matte red, but more of a satin red Maserati.
That's wrapped. No way it's not wrapped.
That's nice. I love this color. I don't know what this color is actually called, but it's really nice. He has his hood up. Any mods?
Yep.
Not really. Yep.
Yeah.
Looks like an air intake. It's a nice CO6.
That's paint job.
Yeah.
No, not that. That CO6.
Oh yeah. I'm not sure. Nice C2.
You know your Corvette.
Look, CO1.
Excuse me, which one of y'all owns this?
This is his.
Okay. Were you at the car meet at the Ace Glass? Yes. Yeah, I saw y'all there. I got y'all on camera that time with the center exhaust on the C2. It's beautiful. Love how that looks.
Want me to get out of the way?
What'd you say? Oh no, that's fine. I was just getting a quick look at it.
You already got pictures of it.
What'd you say? Yeah, I got tons of it. Thank you.
Yes.
Looks extremely custom.
Look at that camber.
Jeez.
I saw that one. You can barely turn in that.
Dang. Mind if I get this on camera real quick? Jeez, look at that.
You can barely turn with the wheel.
Leaning way in. And a Tesla. It's not even a car meet anymore without a Tesla.
Look, there's two Teslas. Ooh, they're happening in there.
Model X and a Model S, the old one.
Oh, it's a Tesla.
There's a GT3 over here. Oh, it's a GT3 RS actually. I'm gonna come back and get a picture of that. Look at that Slam Beetle over there.
Wide body right here.
Yeah. Oh, we've seen him at a car meet before, that M3. The Uber M3. Dang. GT3 RS. That's pretty nice.
A whole lot of YouTubers' dream cars.
Yep. And that's actually my Guys, that's actually my favorite generation of Porsche right now, the 997s, GT3 RS like that. That one is just like, I don't know, something about it. It's just, ooh, C1 Corvette, first gen. Look at that engine. See all those moving parts in there. 997 Turbo S.
We saw that Turbo S.
Yep. We've seen this Turbo S at a car meet before. At a Cars and Coffee, actually. I didn't get any videos of it because my camera files got corrupted. Jesus Christ. We've seen this Uber M3 up here. That's pretty nice. Back of that GT3. So nice. So nice.
Let's go look at what's
And I like the 997.2s even better. Look, we're behind the tape now, guys. Let's go see what else is over here. So I also saw that full carbon 370Z up front that I want to go see. Look at all these trucks. These look really nice, to be honest.
Not a car meet without those.
Let's just pan down, get a cinematic.
Not believe your eyes. You can't do your fireflies. The world is fell asleep. Cause they fill the open air. You leave teardrops every.
Are these V8s?
Sylvia. Look at Sylvia.
Here goes that wide body 350Z we saw on Facebook. Oh, it's not carbon. I thought it was carbon.
What to do?
Jeez. Sounds nice. Hellcat. I seen this one on Facebook before. In a Facebook group I'm in. I feel like majority of the people here are on the Facebook group because there's like 2,000 people in the group. Dang, that's nice. Oh, the logo's oh, he says the logo print. It's cool though. Sexy build regardless.
No way.
Ooh, he almost hit him. Oh, this is a nice Madden 6 though. Literally, I want my first car to be this. Like, well, the first car that I buy. I have a 94 GT right now, but like, these are going for like $20,000. I think I want one of these. I want to buy it sometime. The big V10, 500 horsepower. Yeah. Diesel, rolling coal out here. Not a car meet without a Kia. Oh, is there another Porsche over here?
Look, Vincent.
Oh yeah.
Them up right.
Ooh. Raising them right. You already know. Raising them right. Ooh, let's see the hood. Let's see what's under the hood. Oh my gosh, look at all that power. What's up, guys? It's your boy Vinstagram. We started filming on my phone now because my camera's screwing up, so
It's all good.
yeah, hit the like button still, because we still got some good content, because it still shoots in 1080p 60, so we're all good. First gen Viper.
Oh yeah!
What? Don't hit a crowd.
Hey, I understand your pain. I drive a Mustang too. Oh, that V6 is kind of nice. look at this RX-7 though. Ooh, extra clean. Hold on, what is? Oh, because it's LS swap probably. Let's look around the front.
Okay.
Yep, and it's LS swap.
Okay, it's okay.
Okay, so he can have he can put the Corvette logo on there. It's LS swap. Oh yeah, we're rushing over here.
Wait, hold on.
Come on. Oh yeah, we're coming over here for this V10.
Yo!
And the Z. Everything's leaving.
Wait, Vincent, wait till he drops. What? Vincent, they're all.
Oh dang. Oh yeah, they're all leaving together. Definitely coming for that V10. See if he spins tires. Yeah, I think it's nice. Oh, that Rocket Money 370Z is nice. Yeah! Oh, that's so clean. I want one of those.
Drag car.
Oh, the drag car. Oh man, that V10 M6 was clean. There's like one cop here.
And he didn't do shit.
Yeah, we saw the cop pull up and like nothing happened. Like people were speeding straight past him. Like he pulled up when people were pulling out. The cop gets in the traffic and like we see a Honda like blaze right past them. It's crazy. Pulling a whole handstand up here. Let's go, dude. Dang, man. Wasting all this time. Whoa. Dang, guys, look at this 240Z. Dang, that's nice. Oh, you have the Model X doors. Model X doors are up. Back down there, see the pull out. Ooh, that was nasty.
He needs to go to the exit.
Ooh.
I know he just got here and all, but.
Dang. That dude showed up hella late though.
Hey, come on.
Look at this 370Z. He looks like he got a Forza camo on his wheels. Here goes this matte red Maserati with satin red Maserati.
Copyright music too.
And there's a bunch of, oh man, I'm gonna get copyrighted on this video. The cops, they got him. Yeah, way down there. Oh. Somebody got by the cops.
Hey, you didn't see what happened?
And
No,
now
I didn't. I was up there.
Did you hear about what happened?
No.
Alright, it was in the median right about there.
Yeah.
I would say right where that car is, like maybe 20 feet ahead.
Yeah.
Right there, he starts burning tires right here. Dude.
dang.
Dang.
The cop is right beside him, dude.
Oh.
He's burning tires, swerving, dude. Almost hits
Oh,
the
he's
cop.
the real MVP for that though.
He almost hits the cop, dude. And then next thing you know, blue lights turns on, dude.
That's like a $300 fine.
Oh yeah, that's crazy.
That's more than that.
Yeah, reckless assault.
And the cop, oh man, nobody's speeding out like how they were because the cops down there now. Dang it. That's 240 something. Oh yeah, 240 flames.
That was my first time seeing a backfire.
Yeah, I want to see that again.
Oh my god. Was that your first backfire you've ever seen?
Yeah.
That's very too.
Spit some more flames. Yeah.
He's been flames.
How much horsepower are you running? Dang.
Do it again.
not backing out the way. Dang. I got my ears. Oh my gosh.
My ears are broken.
Hey, don't stand behind him.
Oh my God.
Jesus Christ.
Oh my God.
Someone go behind this car.
Oh my God.
He's been playing.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Well, guys, that was the end of the car meet. Let me look in the mirror. There we go. Yeah, so that was the end of the car meet right there. It was pretty good. I've never been to a Columbia car meet before. That was my first time. So I give it a 10 out of 10, and it's about to get a bit dark. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. Make sure you like the video and subscribe. Peace.